Today I felt like I just needed to go out and smash some sketches. Wasn't going to do a lot, and I was, going to look for the weekend sketches. They sketch on Sunday morning, organized by Joyce Wong. As I was walking towards there, I spotted some of the sketches at work. You can see some across the road, and there are some here on the side of the building that we are sketching. And they are all hard at work, very diligent, very, very important. And this is the building that we are going to be sketching, Tan Xiang Yuan. It's a Chinese restaurant in the middle of Little India. And let's go. Today, lots of things went wrong. Well, first of all, my camera didn't quite work and it kind of bailed on me halfway. So you will see I lost some footages. I couldn't get a right angle to sit because a lot of the sketches are seated already on very nice angle, and therefore my drawing was going to be mangled in some ways because I was very awkwardly seated by the roadside. 1, 2, I couldn't get the angle I wanted because it's just filled with other sketches. 3, there were cars all around park where I just couldn't get. But you know what? We just gotta get it smashed. We just gotta smash a sketched in, don't we? Why? Because it's about participation, and it's much more than getting a better angle or getting a better sketch, and so on and so forth. So to me, sometimes it's just be out there participating, get a sketch done, and enjoy the day. And the outcome doesn't matter. Secondary, right? So that's the end of my sketch. I managed to smash it in. Not a very good one, but anyway, good enough for coloring. And as I, was going to start coloring, I realized the second problem that I had. I left my whole stash of brushes at home. So I had to borrow a very small synthetic brush from Joyce, who happened to sit very nearby. I grabbed her bag, took a small brush, and I just went with it with gusto, knowing that this sketch is not going to be very good. But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm just gonna, regardless of what happens, badly done sketch, badly or forgetting all my brushes and gears. But I did bring my color palette and my water container, and it's good enough. It works. So there you go. You see me smashing it in, and all I try to do is just observe the shadow. And very importantly, I just want to make sure that I at least capture some of the shadow, as best I can. And I try not to have, psychologically, all the things that's gone wrong, the place I sit, the mangled drawing, the fact that I forgot my entire pouch of brushes and stuff. Doesn't matter. Just be out there and enjoy myself because I'm already here. Just be present and have clarity of mind for the present task of at least getting a sketch in. So that's my advice for the day. Overcome the circumstances and be at ease with yourself. It's never about the outcome. It's always about a journey, and it's always about enjoying myself, painting, sketching, and be out there with some friends and catching up and having a good chat and laugh at my own forgetfulness and clumsiness. So there we go, all the sketches from the various sketches. Not all of them have come in, but you'll see that there are some really lovely work being done, even by kids, Money, and this is more of the complete one. Apologies for the upside down view. And here's the group that came out to play today. I really enjoyed myself. I thank Joyce for organizing it. You take care and be safe wherever you are. Bye.